What a lovely day. Cut the grass, trim the edges. Now I'm going to wash this fountain. It's gone dirty again. I wash this every 2 weeks. The birds, they love going in there. In that time I got a cat that comes in here, drinks water. The garden is getting greener. The fruit trees are starting to get a bit of life in them. And after I wash the fountain, I'm going to go war with the squirrels. I keep changing the position of these feeders, and he somehow finds a way of getting onto them. I had to put 3 feeders away because I couldn't keep up with them. I even put it onto a string to stop him climbing down, but he climbs up to this part here, or this part, and he jumps. I've got another trick, so I'm determined to beat the squirrels. I'm not going to harm them. I just don't want them to keep coming onto the feeders. It stops the other birds coming on there and feeding. So I should find a way of stopping them going onto the feeders without harming them. Right, let's crack on, clean this fountain for the birds to come and have a bath. Constantly, from 7 o'clock in the morning, as soon as the sun comes up till the sun goes down, they're in there bathing. bought this about 27 years ago. It's a small plastic case for like water feature. And to watch the birds going down our path. It's got 1.5 foot thick concrete underneath to hold the fountain. So I said the birds are in there constantly, every day. It's a joy to watch them. Small price to pay for a little enjoyment in the garden. It cost me a fortune, but it was worth it.